Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about exception handling. Okay. So first we'll see the try catch block, then we'll go to finally and throw keyword. Okay. So I will tell you about one scenario without try catch, and we can go further. Try catch list account. Okay. List ACC equal to. I'm going to print one value. Select ID comma name comma rating from account object where ID equal to. So I'm going to get one particular ID. For example, I'm going to get this ID. In this account, rating is empty. Okay, so we are going to get this record, and I'm iterating the list using for each AC colon this one system dot debug. Okay, and not system dot debug. We are going to compare if loop if AC dot rating. So this value will become as empty. We are going to compare empty value with one string like a hot, because in this field have three types. Can see hot, warm, cold. So now the value is empty. Empty means the null value will become. So we are going to check this value with the hot without using the try catch bar. And system dot debug AC dot rating hot. Okay, so save. Now we are going to run this one, and you will see the output. So now you can see system dot null point exception attempt to dereference null object. So why means the null value is found in the rating. In this rating field, you can see here null value. Empty means it will take as a empty value. So if we try to compare null value with hot some particular string, then we will get the null point exception we will get. So then how to avoid this issue? So we can go for try catch. Try catch exception A. Okay, we can copy and paste our code inside the try block, and we can print this one exception. So plus E, so control plus E, shift tab. Okay, now you can save and run. You will now you won't get any exception because we are handled that exception we handling here. Execute. So now you will see it allowed us to execute this program, but error has been captured. Exception is the system null by exception is occurred. So that's why. So if you want, if error is occurred, then also you want to execute next line of code, then we can go for the try catch block we can use. Okay, so this is the main use of this one. It is used to handle the exception. Okay, and so another one topic is finally. What is finally? So finally means we don't know whether this issues occurred or not, executed successfully. Definitely this finally block will be executed. Okay, and finally log save now. Execute. You can see here. So first the issues occurred. Okay, in the issues occurred here itself, line number 10 itself is issue occurred, but next this one also is not executed, but you can see the final block will be executed. System don't know whether the issues occurred or not within this try catch. If you use finally, definitely that finally block will be executed. Okay, so and what is pending here, and if it's successful also, the finally block will be executed. Definitely if you specify the finally, definitely it will be execute the finally block. Okay, so I hope you understand the try catch functionality and finally functionality. Okay, so now we'll see the keyword exception. So throw means like we can manually throw the exception. Okay, so we'll see how we can throw the exception. And before this one, if AC dot rating equal to null, so if this value is null, then we are going to throw this exception. So throw dot DML exception or null pointer exception. You can see here these many exception we can able to throw. Okay, so I will give this PPT to finally I will give, and you can refer this. So I'm going to pull null pointer exception, null value. So okay, what is that means? Throw new null pointer exception. So null values occurred. So this wordings you can give anything you can give. What is it? Constructor is not defined. Null pointer. So line number defined string. What is that? We can throw these many exception. So we will try this one. Okay. Maybe some spelling mistake. So now you can enter anything like null pointer exception occurred. Save this one and run for yourself. So try now. Yeah, exception handling. So system.dml exception, null pointer exception occurred. So line number 18 we have given, not 18. So this is 18. So this is the exception. Sorry. So this exception is from system.dml exception, null pointer exception occurred. So this null pointer exception occurred is we have printed, we have given our manually. So null pointer exception occurred. So similarly, if you want to throw exception for yourself, you can throw using throw, and you need to use DML exception or null pointer exception. You need to specify, and similarly, you can throw your own exception. We can able to throw. Okay. So I hope you have understand try, catch, finally, and throw keywords. Okay. So these are the exception we can able to throw ourselves. Okay, so next video we will discuss about some important keywords we can discuss. Thank you. Thanks for watching.